super comfortable and nice. But how to do it? Let me show you.
It all starts with the seat shells, that can be of different materials such as aluminium, zinc-coated iron, fiberglass, carbon and plastic 2 components, NCL, and they can be fixed or foldable. In this case, they are made up of a backrest and a seat. Once chosen, the shell is filled with soft NCL foam material or foam rubber. In the version with folding shells, an electric actuator is now applied. To complete the sitting part, all of it is upholstered with your choice of fabric, faux leather or leather, and once it's finished, it's time for its support. It can be made of stainless steel, aluminium or carbon, and can be manually or electrically controlled. Today, to better understand the whole process, we are at Besenzoni, a leader in marine seating. The movement of the support is divided into up and down, forward and backward. In the vertical, up and down movement, 2 telescopic tubes are connected to an electric actuator, while the actuator used for forward and backward sliding acts on 2 Teflon slide and can also control the opening of the footrest. Before covering all the circuits with the only removable piece of upholstery, motion controls are fitted. And now it is ready for his captain.
Easy! This is how to do it.